constantly ask me what my favorite recipe is, and although I can't choose one, French toast is definitely on the list. This is one of my favorite meals even before I went vegan, and in all honesty, I love this simple recipe so much that I never miss French toast. And so normally French toast is going to be eggs and milk mixed together that we dip our bread in. For our vegan version, we're actually just going to make a slurry, like a crust, little dipping, and we're going to use flour. I have regular all-purpose flour here. I'm going to say I'm putting in about a cup. And then I'm going to take a whisk and go ahead and add a non-dairy milk. I'm using coconut milk today. You can use almond milk, cashew, oat. But you just want to make sure that it's dippable. So we're going to add just a little more in there. And then I love the sweetness of maple syrup, and I add just a little bit. I'm going to say I put in about a tablespoon there. And so instead of an egg mixture, we have our flour French toast vegan dipping sauce. And so I'm going to go ahead and add a little vegan butter to the pan. I always think it tastes yummier if it's cooked in butter. And we're going to go ahead and take our French bread. You can either do store-bought or go ahead and have your own. And you just do a light dipping on both sides. And I kind of move the butter around when I put it down. And you're just going to repeat it on both sides. This is maybe one of my kids' favorite recipes for sure as well. And so, the last one that will fit in our pan. And I am very, very fond of cinnamon. And so instead of putting it in the batter, I enjoy sprinkling a little over the top. And you can put as much as you like. Like I said, I'm pretty fond. And we're gonna let these sizzle. I have it on about a medium heat right now. I may lower it because we wanna make sure that it doesn't overcook or get black. We want a really beautiful light golden crust on this. So we'll see you in a minute when we're flipping. So we're just gonna go ahead. It's been a couple minutes and we're gonna go ahead and flip over our French toast. It's looking perfect. If it sticks, sometimes you just want to add a little more butter to the pan so it loosens up a little. And here's the final. Gonna let it cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. If you love cinnamon, as I do, you can sprinkle a little extra over the top. So our French toast is done and it's looking beautiful. I'm going to bring it over here to plate it. Maybe on this one I'll actually only do 3 of them. And then I am the biggest fan of Earth Balance vegan butter. I get the soy-free. It is so delicious. And I think it's so important with all of your meals to do the things that you loved before. If you loved French toast and you loved having it with butter and maple syrup, then just do that in a vegan form. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you have quality ingredients that bring you energy as opposed to taking it away. Then I have 100% grade A maple syrup here. Just gonna do that right over the top. For me, like I said, I love cinnamon. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little over the plate so I have extra. And then make sure I always have some live foods on there. We're gonna do blueberries today. And voila! This is my vegan French toast. Oui, oui.